Hi friends, Vika from the Creative Labyrinth is here, and today is the third day of our project how to create your own stickers even if you're adult, serious, non-creative person. All previous videos I collected in the playlist up here, so if you joined me just now, you can return to those videos and start the project from the beginning. And you won't miss anything. Today we will have a tiny assignment, only if you'd like to try something additional. So it is a bonus, you don't need to do it. I suggest it because I think that it will help you to add more personality to your stickers, make them more individual. So today our goal is to make a list of phrases, funny quotes, maybe inscriptions to the memes, quotes from cartoons, something like that, which you use in your private life, in your chats with your family, with your friends. You need to collect all these phrases all together in one list. And here you will definitely need help of your favorite ones, your like-minded people. You'd better call them or text them and try to recall all these phrases which you like to use in your private conversations. Because alone you will never remember many of them, but all community will definitely help you. And when you got your list, it's time to apply suitable phrases to each of your 3 stickers. Your ideas of stickers you have done in our first video, and in the previous video we already made our first 3 sketches to our stickers. So I hope that you are ready, and now we just need to add them a little bit of fun, joy, and add these phrases. If these phrases don't actually match to them, no, don't worry, just give it a try. Maybe you will find something suitable, it will be very good. If not, just goof around, have fun. It's another chance. It's one more chance to spend time with your friends and to discuss something funny and something personal. And remember that it's better to choose short phrases because it's more convenient to write them around your sticker, and your phrase, it will be around it, or here or there, or like a speech bubble, something like that. Try different compositions and draw it on your stickers, on your sketches to your stickers. I'm still thinking about my phrases to the stickers. English is not my native language, and in my real life I never speak English. I don't have this opportunity. So I need to invent some phrases. Maybe I will show you what I've done. Maybe you can advise me better solutions. Maybe you remember this sticker with cherry cats and the phrases perfect pair. The next one. Is a sloth animal sleeping. You cannot see it properly, but the idea is that the sloth animal is sleeping on the heart, and the phrase is hanging onto you. I would like something more fun and cute, but I don't know. Maybe you can write in comments. And the last one, as I told you, I don't have this sketch because I already drawn this sticker. It's a floating heart. It's more I see it, more it looks like a piglet. As for me, but I like it anyway. And the phrases flap flap, I like you. Of course, I would like to choose something more personal, but I don't have now. So I'm waiting for your suggestions. It could be very, very helpful for me. A quick reminder that after this series of videos how to create your own personal stickers, I'm going to collect all of them into one free guide where I will step by step explain everything, and you don't need to rewatch videos. You just can scroll this guide and return to your necessary part. If you will continue with this project, when it will be ready, I will put the link into description so you can download it easily. So now it's time for homework. Today's very short video, and your first task is to call your parents, friends, kids, and collect that bunch of funny, cute phrases which you use in your personal conversations. And the second task, choose 3 phrases and write them around your stickers which you have drawn in the previous video. If you'd like me to see your homework, you can send it into my free online sketch club in my Telegram chat. The link is in the description. And at the end, I would like to invite you for my evening stream. I will have a 1-hour stream with chatting, conversations, drawing, some silly quick sketches, very informal environment, and I would like you to come and have a creative party with me. You can draw also with me. I will explain everything on the stream. That's it for today. I was happy that you decided to join me, and see you on the next video. Bye.